the previous section, I showed you how to open up a Google Sheet, how to work out averages, and how to round up numbers so that you don't have any decimal points. Now I'm going to add another aspect, which is how to work out when certain grades are given more weight than other grades. So we're going to have compositions. So we'll have composition 1. We have room for composition 1, 2, 3, and place to have the average for the compositions. I'm going to take a break and add some numbers. Now I'm going to do the same thing that I did before. I want to click on Function, Average, click on the cells where I want the average, and click. It shows me, sometimes you have to do it by hand. So what you have to keep in mind is you're looking for the column and the row. So here we have F3, F3, until H3. And if I have to make any changes afterwards, I know how to fix it that way according to the column and the row. And already by doing this, it gives me the average. And again, I'm going to say that I want to decrease decimal places. And here's another way that you could do that. Instead of going into Format, you can do it by clicking this here, which I actually just discovered now. I'm going to add some more grades. I've just added more grades, and as I did before, I'm going to copy and color the cells that I want to have as the average of the compositions. And there we go. Here I have my composition averages. So in order to differentiate between my columns that are subtotals and columns that are grades, I'm just going to color them gray. And now I've added another subsection for work with grade. And as you can see, if I don't have enough room here, I just pull it aside and I have plenty of room for whatever I want to write here. Again, Function, Average, color what I want, got it, Control C or copy, Control V or paste, get rid of all those decimals, and I'm going to color it so it stands out. Now, I want my final total here. I want all of my tests to count for 40%. So I'm going to write the number up here so it's easy for me to keep track of. I want the average of my compositions to be 40%. And I want the average of the work that they do in class with grade to be 20%. So here's how we do sum. Here's how we add up, just simply without percentages. Again, I go to Function, Sum. I'm going to do column E, row E, and I click on the plus sign. Column I, row 1, and the plus sign. And column M, row 1, there. So I know that all of these percentages are going to add up to 100. The next part's kind of tricky, so I'll do it in a separate webcast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.